Just won this Nissan Pixel for £440. Now it is registered as a category N with damage to the rear, specifically the boot. As you can see, I managed to find a boot in the exact colour for £70, and in less than 3 days I fitted the boot, prepped the car, got an MOT and sold the car. I then made £500 profit on the vehicle, as well as getting this car in Part X. Absolutely stunning little car. We do have a few little marks, but I think, you know, a little polish should be able to address that really well. Overall, there are a little bit dents here and there. It's not a perfect car by any means, but it is a free car. You know, we've made a nice little profit on the other one. Need to open the door. The rims are really good. I might just refurb these. We'll see what we do, but tires are absolutely perfect on this. Tires are perfect. Really happy with this, to be fair. Couple of little nudges here. We could touch it up. We'll see how it looks once it's cleaned, but number plates could do with changing. As you can see, more little, no idea what that is. I mean, God knows what that is, but maybe someone with the trolley, when they're loading the boot, kept budging the boot with the trolley. I could think that could be the only thing that would make them marks. If, you know, because if it was a car, you would have, you know, you'd have something like that. I think that's just a trolley banging on there when they're loading their shopping. Just a bit of irresponsible ownership, I guess. We could touch it up. We'll see how it looks though. Tires, again, this side here, pretty much brand spanking new. There is a lot of tread left on there. It's a good tire as well, Michelin. Do have a little dent here, nothing major. That they will come out for good polish and clean. That definitely will come out. But overall, stunning, absolutely stunning little car. You know, headlights are not too faded. We could give them a little polish. That's just sort it straight out. Front wheel, you know, rims looking good. Again, tire pretty much brand new there. But let me open it and show you exactly what it looks like. It's very clean. It's very clean in here. You know, very happy with this. Well, best car I've got so far interior wise. The interior looks like it's never been sat in. I know it has, but I mean, yeah, this is a 2005. It looks very clean. It looks pretty much like a modern car. Oop, door's not been open for a while. There you go. Yeah, looks really nice. I do love the back seats. Come on, be honest with yourself. Does that not look like these back seats have never been sat in? Be honest. You have got to be honest with you. It looks immaculate. The people that I did get this car off didn't have any kids or anything like that, so, you know, one owner car. Yeah, says it all there. Says it all there. Right, driving the car. So first impressions is always the best impression, so let's get my thoughts on it. The car drives really well. There is an engine light that has come on. I have noticed that when you first start the car off, when it was cold, it seemed a little bit sluggish for some weird reason, but it did drive really well once it, you know, after a couple of seconds, say about 10-15 seconds, just not far down the road, it started like getting back into power, but it did seem very sluggish when I first started off. Drives absolutely perfect now. I think you could just do for oil filter, air filter, and potentially spark plugs to just give it a nice little, you know, kick, you know, give it a little bit more oomph type thing. Won't hurt. So we'll see exactly how much it costs to service this car and maybe just get the basics and get it serviced. Overall gears, steering, lights on the dash minus the engine light, none at all. Interior of the car really clean. We will park up and do a nice little walk around, but my thoughts on the drivability of the car, absolutely perfect minus the sluggishness, but we'll see how that sort of, if it resolves itself once we service the car. And engine light, I will have to look into that. It does seem like there's an exhaust blow. We'll see if maybe that could be the problem causing the emissions, because normally on a petrol car, engine light is due to sort of emissions. Right guys, I spoke too soon. As soon as I just ended the camera, all the lights just came on the dash, and now the battery light is on, and that could only probably mean alternator. Fingers crossed it's not, because I don't really want to be doing an alternator on one of these. I wanted a quick sale, but No idea what's just happened there, but all the lights just flashed on the dash and went off quite instantly, and what was left was the battery lights. So yeah, have no idea what that is. It's still seeming to drive okay, stuck in traffic, which is not ideal, but I will continue this once I pull over and turn the engine off and on and see. Hopefully that just goes out. Right guys, I'm literally stuck in traffic and shit couldn't get any worse. It's seeming to overheat now, so I'm having to drive, take out gear, turn the key off, and I'm gliding because I'm literally stuck in traffic. Right guys, as you can see, that is the problem. The belt's come off, and that's why it was overheating. I think it's to do with that pulley just underneath. So you got the two pulleys on top, you got the alternator pulley, and then you got the black one in front of it or behind it, whichever way you're looking. And then just below that you can see there's a silver thing. That there's a pulley. I think that's gone, to be honest. I'm not sure if that's how it's meant to look and the belt just sits in there, but the belt's off basically. There's the belt there, and for that reason this car is going to be decommissioned just till I have time to get around to sorting it out, because I've got too many things on the go at the minute. So rather than messing around with this, I think I need to get a new belt, new pulley. But we will get back round to this car later on in the week, to be fair. I just got other things I need to get prepped and listed for sale, so we'll just take our time and just leave this car for now until we get time to do it. But that's that for now.